Good afternoon, YouTube. Pleasure to have you all here with us. Told you to try and get you out here to the cows. Doing a haylage bale right now. Cows should be coming. I'm trying to get in a good position so you all can see them. Should be here any minute. I'll just give them a whistle. And we'll see what happens here if they come home. Here we go. Here comes the family. Now get over here so they come on up. I think you're all going to enjoy this a lot. Come on, babies. Come on. Come on. Sorry if that's loud on y'all. We got new calves, so everybody's a little nervous. There's my boy out there. That's the tractor we rebuilt. 1954 Farmall MTA, Super M. Completely rebuilt. Neighbor helped us do that. Cool tractor, let me tell you. Hi, baby. There we go. Yeah, come on. There we go. Yeah. Sorry about that. I fell on my ass. A little muddy out here today. Everybody should be on their way. They know it's the good stuff. It smells nice. It's called haylage. For those of you that don't know what that is, it's you wrap your hay wet and it's got to cure for a few weeks, and more than a few weeks. So everybody should be coming here in a minute. Trying to learn how to use this thing my son bought. Not real good at it yet, obviously. There we go. There's the dumb man. Trying to get these cows coming. Get on down here a bit. We'll show you the tractor here in a few, and we'll get some range cubes out. You notice, they know now. Here they come. Where are we at? There we are. Everybody's got their own call. Get your cows moving. I hope you all enjoy this. Kind of a lighter note today. I know I was really upset yesterday. I apologize for that. These shingles are something else. Come on, babies. There we go. Hello, babies. There we are. They know. They ain't want nothing to do with me right now. There's the new addition here. Yep. What's happening, bud? There goes T-Bone. He's the next one that gotta go. You know what that means. Freezer full. Come on. And there's our watchdog there in the background. We'll get this up here. You're gonna be quite surprised at who our watchdog is. Come on now. Come on. Come on. Everybody knows rain's coming, so kind of changes the mood. There he is. That would be our watchdog right there. He got quite a few kills to his name. He got 4 or 5 foxes. Got a couple coyotes. Pedro, that's his name. He's our burro. Donkey, I guess. Excuse me. So, We'll walk up on out of here after they move. We'll show you the hay process. Like I said, if anybody's got any questions, there's a lot more to cattle farming than I ever thought. More than just letting them eat grass. It's not like that. You gotta make sure you take care of your animals. Then take care of you. Hold on, baby. Let me get that. Come on. Come on, Rosie. It's all right, baby. Come on. Come on. Come on. There you go. Atta girl. And lost me. There we are. I'm not good with this tech stuff, so you're going to have to give me a little bit of room. If you would. All right. Now old man's got to get up the muddy hill. If I fall, I ain't cutting it. I want you to see it. So, here we go. All right. Heading up and out of the creek now. Yeah, I hope you're all having a pleasant day. You know, it's nice and cool here. Missouri's a beautiful state. Can be a real bear in the summertime. I don't have a thyroid. I mentioned that to you. So, I don't do well with the heat. When it gets cold, I'm in shorts. Shorts and a sweatshirt. Love it. Till it gets real cold. So, there's my son, Matt, in the background, feeding the haylage. And if this is a shaky video, I'll get better. Again, kind of doing this one for fun. See if we get it right on up here on T-Bone. Come on. And my cows are a lot calmer. Most folks, their cows are pretty heated. So, what do you say, buddy? That bale right there is about 2,000 plus pounds. That would be considered a wet bale. And there you go. Like I said, our neighbor, one of the best guys I've ever met in my life. One of the few men that haven't let me down. We help him out. We love their family. They're good folks. I'm not mentioning no names. I don't have that permission. If I ever get that permission, I surely will. Because I'll tell you what, he's a smart man. Very smart man. So, I'm going to walk over there and let you get a shot of the tractor, and then I'm gonna go ahead and get off here and stop wasting your time. Okay? Much lighter video today. Like I said, the last few days I've been kind of cranky. Still fighting the shingles, and found out because of my jeopardized immune system, I'll probably be fighting them for the next 5 months because I have a jeopardized immune system. Ain't that great? But there you go. There's Matt. Oh, good young man. I'm blessed to have him. And I'm blessed to have you all here too. And we'll see you tomorrow. It's starting to rain out here. God bless.